Magandang araw mga kapatid. Ako po si PJ Kumpas, and today as we continue our Advent journey, we reflect on the theme of joy. In the Gospel today, the chief priest questioned Jesus, "By what authority are you doing these things?" Instead of answering directly, Jesus turns the question back to them, exposing the hesitation and fear in their hearts. They refused to answer not because they didn't know, but because they were afraid to lose approval and control. And here we discover something beautiful. Joy comes from the freedom to welcome Jesus as he is, not as we want to control him to be. The religious leaders missed the joy of encountering the Messiah standing right in front of them because their hearts were too guarded. They were too calculating and too afraid. Brothers and sisters, minsan tayo rin ganito eh. Joy leaves our hearts when we hold on too tightly to our plans, our expectations, our fears, and our need to be in control. Pero the moment we surrender and open our hearts, joy flows again. Because joy is not found in certainty. Joy is found in trust. Jesus doesn't force himself on the priest, and he doesn't force himself on us. Instead, he invites us to trust him, to welcome him, to believe that even when we do not understand everything, God is already working for our good. And this is the joy of Advent. Joy is knowing that God is with us even before we figure everything out. As Christmas draws near, maybe the Lord is asking us today, can you let go of your fear so I can fill you with joy? Can you surrender your expectations so I can surprise you with grace? Can you trust me even when not everything is clear? My friends, let us not miss Jesus like the leaders did. Let us choose joy, the joy that comes from trusting the one who holds our lives in His hands. Kung ikaw ay na-bless ng video na ito, maging boses ng pag-asa, paki-like and share ang Pathways of Hope sa inyong mga kaibigan. Muli ito si PJ Kumpas at nagsasabing maraming salamat and Happy Advent and Merry Christmas!